one of the fantastic appointees under Mohammed's second term regime we Sammy Gyamfi. Very serious about office no baby I dey ama no. And how we see pretty any revenue generating my own. I'm very happy about this man's Sammy Gyamfi Abantiwe. He's doing marvelous at the gold board. Ade ba Akokoa de be kan won say ye gold no ye be refine ne yetimi agiweris ni ade ne asa nso kura say nya musika asa ka ho de abo oman no. And these things have all come to support the economy. Sammy Gyamfi koso ha ne boy adwuma saa yere wo ho. Or you are one of enkrofo a we are fantastic. Appointee a ye hihye ayaba me bodini edikan say wa boy adwuma just within 1 year. And of course, KCL Forson. Forson, the finance minister. Finance minister, Timothy Jim. And I'm not surprised here who win because on the Timothy Jim, finance minister, AC Germany, a Jadifo Marco Din Kobo. Can of the Bible be the butum? No, could have bag. I just budget yason. But this finance minister, Kofem. No one here Jadifo na kodi din komo na wode abehye budget mu e de di budget no hudwuma eno na me yehu de yehu sa two appointees we Mohammed's first term the second term first year me bo ma basopa they've done marvelously well and they deserve to be commended. KCL Forson on ninam dwemhwe no one adwadifo ma na di nkomo eno ma na bo te say mudwadie ne kosen ye to ade ye yesi or gather all these things, but then kenoforiata be white esoro ni fam nyina ezo be wiase na Ghana mu nyina ye tuntum obe hye white esoro ni fam nyina o a enim se Ghana be ye han e be wiase na eno ma bo no manti Ghana nyina ye sun bronya nyina ye basa. But kudos to these appointees. They've done marvelously well and a great job indeed. Ama Christmas no, me real krum no mani age. How people were happy. Omo trade, omo turn no money adena. Utumi say enoma konanim. But fast forward,